Good morning friends. In this lecture I am going to solve property on del applied to product of point function. Let us see the property, students. Prove that del of f bar dot g bar, that is equal to f bar dot del into g bar plus g bar dot del into f bar plus f bar cross of del cross g bar plus g bar cross of del cross f bar. Okay students, solution. Here also take LHS. What is LHS, students? Del f bar dot g bar, that is equal to, now see students, del of f bar dot g bar, this is nothing but grad f formula, students. What is grad f bar formula, students? Grad f bar sigma I bar dou f bar by dou x. Okay students, sigma I bar dou f bar by dou x. So sigma I bar dou by dou x of, we have students here f bar dot g bar. So f bar dot g bar, that is equal to sigma I bar. Apply properties of derivative. Then we get here, students, f bar dot dou g bar by dou x plus dou f bar by dou x dot g bar. Okay students, that is equal to, now apply summation on each term, students, on both terms. So we get here sigma I bar f bar dot dou g bar by dou x plus summation I bar dou f bar by dou x dot g bar. Now if you observe the right hand side, students, if you observe the right hand side, what we have the terms here, students? F bar dot del into g bar, g bar dot del into f bar. Now here, see here, students, f bar cross del cross g bar. Okay students, so to get f bar cross these two terms, I am consider one term, students. Say consider, see students, f bar cross of I bar cross dou g bar by dou x. Okay students, once again, f bar cross of I bar cross dou g bar by dou x, students, that is equal to, now it is like, students, what is formula? A bar cross of b bar cross c bar. What is formula, students? A bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar, a bar dot b bar into c bar. Right. Now here a is f bar, b is I, c is dou g bar by dou x. Now a bar dot c bar, students, a bar dot c bar. So f bar dot dou g bar by dou x into I bar minus a bar dot b bar. So f bar dot I bar into dou g bar by dou x, dou g bar by dou x. Now see students here, I bar f bar dot dou g bar by dou x. Now see students, these two are same. So I can write here f bar dot dou g bar by dou x into I bar, that is equal to, I can transfer this term to the left hand side, students, so that I get here f bar cross of I bar cross dou g bar by dou x plus f bar dot I bar dou g bar by dou x, f bar dot I bar dou g bar by dou x. Say this is 1 and this is 2, students. Now interchange f bar and g bar, because if you observe here we get f bar dot dou g bar dou x into I bar students. If I interchange I get this term students. Let us see. Now that means here you write g bar in place of f bar students. So g bar dot dou, here students, f bar by dou x into I bar, that is equal to, here students, g bar cross I bar cross, now tell me, dou f bar by dou x plus, here students, g bar dot I bar into dou f bar by dou x. Say this is 3 students. Now substitute 2 and 3 in 1 student. We get here del of f bar dot g bar, that is equal to, come on, tell me students here, f bar cross summation f bar cross of I bar cross dou g bar by dou x plus summation f bar dot I bar dou g bar by dou x plus summation g bar cross I bar cross dou f bar by dou x plus summation g bar dot I bar into dou f bar by dou x, that is equal to, now I can apply summation on f bar students. We cannot apply because there is no use, so you can apply summation on second term students. So we get here f bar cross of sigma I bar cross dou g bar by dou x. Okay students, plus here also same students, I cannot apply on f bar students, so f bar dot, I can write sigma I bar. When we get meaning students, what is del definition? I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z students. So I can write here dou by dou x here students, so dou by dou x into g bar plus, here also same students, g bar cross sigma I bar cross dou f bar by dou x plus, here also same students, g bar dot sigma I bar, right here, dou by dou x into f bar, that is equal to f bar cross, we have a formula students. What is formula? Del cross f bar, that is equal to students sigma I bar cross dou f bar by dou x students. Now we have dou g bar students, so g bar, so I can write here students del cross g bar plus f bar dot, this is by the definition, this is del students into g bar plus, here students, g bar cross, this one students del cross f bar plus, here students, g bar dot, this one by the definition we get del into f bar. You check the students here, we get here f bar cross del cross g bar, f bar cross del cross g bar, f bar dot del g bar, now g bar cross del cross f bar, g bar cross del cross f bar, now del dot g bar dot del f bar, g bar dot l f bar. So this is RHS, so LHS is equal to RHS. Once again students, you take LHS, del of f bar dot g bar. This is the nothing but grad definition students. What is grad definition? Del f bar, that is equal sigma I dou f bar by dou x. Now in place of f bar we have f bar dot g bar. Now apply students here sigma I bar f bar dot dou g bar by dou x. Okay students, now students here dou by dou x of f bar dot g bar students. Okay, it is like in place of f bar we have f bar dot g bar, students, f bar dot g bar. Okay, now apply properties of derivative, students. F bar dot dou g bar by dou x plus dou f bar by dou x into g bar dot g bar. Okay, and then apply summation on each term, students. Now I observe the RHS, students. Now I observe the RHS. Here we have f bar cross of del cross g bar, students. It's like now a bar cross of b bar cross c bar. So that I observe the first term here. I have I bar f bar dou g bar by dou x, students. Okay, students, I observe the first term, students. I f bar dou g bar by dou x. So I consider here f bar cross I bar cross dou g bar by dou x, students. Then I am applying the formula. This is very, very important, students. And then we get the students. Okay, and then I want to this term, students. I want to this term sigma I bar f bar dot dou g bar by dou x. So I get this term, students. The result is this. Now I want to find this value also, students. For getting the term, I'm interchange f bar and g bar, students. Then I get g bar dot dou f bar by dou x into I bar. I get this, students. Result is this, and I substitute here. Okay, some rearranging terms here. We get RHS. This is about this property, students. Hope you understand. Please subscribe this channel, students. Like this video, share this video, students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.